So this is the first. I already announced yesterday. Digital India is hiring. They have started the summer internship scheme, okay, which is for 2025, and they have the cyber security topic as well. As I can see on the banner, it's written digital forensic and quantum technologies. And this is the URL intern.meti.gov.in/login, from where you can register and apply yourself for the internship. Okay. Now next one is cyber security engineer, IAM engineer and network engineer, which is company is Vastec Group, right? Vastec Group is something where they are hiring. So this is a US based role. If you are from US, you can apply, and this is hybrid as well. So apply accordingly. Next one is QSAP is hiring basically for associate security consultant, where you should work as a risk consultant, right? And this is for fresher as well. मतलब knowledge होना चाहिए. So 0 to 1 years of experience is required. This is a Mumbai-based job. There is around 10 openings, and freshers with MSc can apply, right? MSc, MTech, digital forensics, cybersecurity, BSc, they can also apply, right? And you should have knowledge about ISO 27001, CEH, AppSec, audit, and compliances. So this is the mail, sonal.singh@qsep.com, right? Which is a Navi Mumbai based job. Now the next company is Aspire. Okay, Aspire HR. They are hiring for cybersecurity engineer. It's a Qatar-based job, and this is the mail ID. Apply at aspirehrmc.com, right? On which you can apply. Now, next one is guys. They are hiring for multiple positions. First thing is the endpoint security. Then cybersecurity analyst, SOCL2. Okay, they want you to and security engineer. For that, they want minimum 4 to 6 years of experience. Splunk engineer, where the 7+ years of experience is required. Network L2, L3, which is network security. Cyber security cloud engineer, vulnerability management L3, SOC cloud, XDR, Palo Alto, all those things. So check it out, and this is the mail ID 95 mansoor@gmail.com. So this is a Gmail. So you need to check, right? Uh, this is I hope this is not a scam, but check it out because this is a Gmail. So I don't actually suggest you to check further. Now next opening is actually in Life Solutions. Okay, they want 1 to 2+ years of experience. It's a Noida based company, and they want SDE, full stack backend. Another full stack backend only. This is for the developer, so check it out. I'm not going to spell it out a lot. Now cybersecurity enthusiast. This is for you, L1, which is 0 to 1 years of experience is required. This is for the SOC analyst, right? And mail ID is muskan@infopercept.com, where you can drop your. Next one is trainees, graduate trainee engineer, cybersecurity cloud network engineer. 6 months to 1 years of experience is required. This is what you need to bring, right? And education should be what? careers@auroweller.com is the mail ID on which you can apply, right? This hybrid job. Now last is CyberNX. CyberNX is a company. They're hiring for GRC consultant, fresh experience both. This is a QR code. Scan it out, and then accordingly you will. Now I have a reference, guys, today. So the company, there's a company in Noida, and they're hiring for data security engineer. Okay, so those who have years 1 to 2 years of experience, just let me know. Okay, so that I can refer you. So that's all for today. Now, if you have any questions, please ask. Thank you very much. Have a good day.